All right, so here's an example where we have to find the area of a complex figure and we need to add different areas together. So the first thing to do is ask yourself, what is this shape made up of? So first thing we have here is we have a rectangle. And we know that to find the area of a rectangle, we need to do length times width. And for this particular rectangle, we have 10 and 12 centimeters for our length and our width. So that rectangle is going to be 10 times 12 because length and width are 10 times 12. So the area of that rectangle is going to be 120 square centimeters. Now, what else is this figure made up of? We also have two circles. So we can see just by looking that the circles are different sizes, and we can also see that they have different diameters. So the diameter of this circle is 12, the diameter of that circle is going to be 10. So I know that to find the area of a circle, I need to do pi r squared. But because this is a semicircle, I'm going to do that divided by 2. I'm going to do the same thing for the other circle because it is also a semicircle. So this is going to be pi r squared divided by 2. So then for each circle, we need to identify the radius. So for this semicircle here, because the diameter is 12, that means the radius is going to be 6, half of 12. So that's going to be 6 squared, or 36, pi divided by 2. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So that area will be 18 times pi. For the second circle, the diameter is 10, which means the radius is going to be 5. So this is going to be pi times the radius, 5 squared. So that's going to be 25 pi divided by 2, or 12.5 pi. Now, because I need to add these all together, I'm going to go ahead and calculate 12.5 pi using 3.14. That's 39.25. And then 18 times 3.14 is going to be 56.25 square centimeters. Don't forget our units there. Now the final step is to add all three of them together to find the total area, because that is the task, is to find the total area of the figure. So I'm going to make sure I label that clearly. All right, so I'm going to do 39.25 plus 56.25 plus 120. And that's going to be 215.5 square centimeters. So you'll notice that for each piece I showed the formula and I showed my steps so it was clear where my final solution came from.